Today is Lillian's first walk after a blizzard. It's Monday, March 2nd, and we got, I think, 6 or 7 inches of snow last night. How do you like it, Lil? How's the walking? Not so bad, huh? That. You like the snow? Do you like the snow?
No.
Snow, that's right. We're gonna go on a little adventure to the store because we can't stay inside all day. No.
No.
No, we would never do that. We like to go out, right? Whoa, ooh, it's windy. Whoa, how do you like the snow? I think you're kind of dumbstruck by it all. Can you say snow? Snow. Can you say snow? Snow.
No.
Good job.
Bye.
Oh, that's not the way we're going today.
Bye.
Yeah, you're used to going to the train, but we're not going to the train. Boom, boom. Need help getting up?
Down.
No, you're down now. You want to go up. Are you down? We've got a baby down. We've got a baby down. Want to go up? There you go. There you go. Okay, let's go to the store. Come on.
Bye.
Hi. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, movie. Yeah. You're a movie star, baby. You're a movie star.
Like.
Oh, okay. Are you ready? Let's get going. Can you say hi, Dada?
Dada.
Dada. Okay, say bye-bye. 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 Lil. Lil. Say bye-bye.